Today we're at Dragonbacks Trail in BC, Canada. So, let's go. So the trails themselves are really well maintained. We just, at the beginning, we parked along the road. However, there is a parking lot up further. It is quite rocky. I noticed that. So the trail on the first is definitely an incline the whole way, but it's got like stairs, little bridges across. It's, like I said, very well maintained. And as we're approaching the loop, it starts to go and it's a decline. So there's two lookouts on the way up to the loop. And yeah, it's beautiful. You feel like a bit in a jungle. It's so far so nice and shaded as well, so that's really helpful because it is hot today. So we're in the stone garden. It's a nice little detour off of the main path. It's so beautiful in here as well. Honestly, you do feel like you're in some sort of serene jungle, and there isn't that many people. I did pass a few people on the way up, but most of the other people were already on their way down, and there just hasn't been anyone, which is so nice and lovely, and I'm just glad I'm out here. Here we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna go all the way around and go back down. Well, we parked at the road, so we're gonna go this way. So after the stone garden, it started to become an incline again. So it was an incline, then it started to be a decline, back to an incline, and now we're at the loop, and we're gonna take the right way once you get to the sign that says junction behind me, because it's the shortest distance, but we're gonna do the full loop around and come back up that way, which looks like a decline. So let's get started. The second rope of the day. I'm gonna put the camera away because I'm gonna use the rope to get up this. The other one you could have done without using the rope, but I used it anyways because it just looked easier. So for this, I'm gonna use the rope and pull myself up. So it took us around an hour to get back from the other half of the loop, and on the other side there's really not much. There's another lookout, but a tree kind of blocks it, and some ropes and stuff. So if you are short on time. You could just quickly head back the same way you came after seeing the summit. Overall, a really nice hike. So super shaded throughout, so that's really nice. There's lots of parking if you actually make the trek up this way and don't park along the road. It's free to do. It's definitely worth hitting up to get those views of Hope. And yeah, overall I had a really nice day. There were inclines, stairs, rocks, so no strollers, nothing like that. And yeah, no real small children either, unless they can walk for around 2.5 hours on their own. So hopefully you've liked this video, so please like and subscribe. Thanks.